Let's now shift focus. Sources say the group of ministers on rate rationalization are set to meet today in New Delhi. Timsy is joining in with more details on this story that she's tracking. Timsy, over to you.
Well, as you rightly mentioned, the group of ministers nominated by the GST Council on rate rationalization, the key panel, which is right now meeting as we speak. The meeting is underway, headed by convener Bihar Deputy CM Samrat Chaudhary. Also has presence from states such as West Bengal, Karnataka, Kerala, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh, and together deliberating upon the key proposal. What sources indicated is the centre's proposal, as we heard Prime Minister saying it from the ramparts of Red Fort on 15th of August, that we are now ready to bring in the next generation reforms of GST, which sources indicated could be a simplified structure that is 5%, 18% and a 40%. 40% for the sin category, basically as compensation cess might cease to exist. It could be as early as October. That is when the back-to-back loans that were taken to assist the states during the COVID times, though the payout is likely to end, and thus the 40% bracket, which was inbuilt in the GST law at the time of inception in 2017, that the highest rate that can be levied on any item ever after compensation ceases to exist could be 40%. So these three slabs structure, to be precise, one standard rate of 5%, one merit rate of 18%, and yes, a sin category, a special rate of 40%. That is being deliberated upon. Right now we are in a 4-slab structure, 5, 12, 18 and 28 plus cess. A lot of items, what sources indicated, that when it comes to 12% slab, doing away 99% of items currently under that slab could move down to 5 or nil. Whereas when it comes to 28%, 90% of the items from the 28% slab could come down to 18%. Let's see what is the view of group of ministers, because only on the recommendations of the group of ministers the proposal will be taken forward to the GST Council, the apex body where all the states along with centre sit together to decide what will be the future course of action or the future roadmap.
All right,
taxation, that is the indirect tax.
We're going to come back to you with regards to the GST meet, but we also have the other important story. Let's